Okay, we're about to have the inaugural run of this. It says turn it on and put it in the water. It's in the water. Said 30 seconds and it should fire itself off. Well, it's running. There she goes. That thing's perfectly silent. You can't hear it. Well, it'll be interesting at best. Doesn't clean the way I thought it would clean. I can see that already. We're just going to let it go for a while and see what it does. So as you can see, this is called the Liberty Dolphin. And I'm not going to talk about cost, but go online, you can find it. You'll see how it is. All you got to do to clean the filter is pull it out. You can see it's holding water, so that filter is so dirty it's not letting water out. You can kind of see the crud buildup on there, and those fine screens are picking up the algae and everything, so I'll give them that. They do work. This is all you got to do to clean the screens. The only downside is that as dirty as my pool is, this is about an every 3 or 4 minute operation to get these things clean enough that the suction will be good inside of it. And except for that leaf, that's a pretty clean screen. Doesn't take long to clean them. Basket goes in, close the lid, press the button till the lights light up, put it in the water, and that's a filter cleaning.